I have a tiger shark here. He's about a 5-footer. Look in the water. Oh, tiger shark. Look at those tiger things. James gets 100 points for getting the hook out. Hi, baby.
Damn. I think it's a tiger shark.
All right.
Lean down and get into the picture with him.
Okay. Oh, all right. Okay, yeah. Okay, no problem. Oh, Jesus. Are you filming?
Yeah.
James wants me to lean down and get into the picture with him. All right, here we go. Ready?
Hey, he's got my... Okay, I'm gonna get the hook out now.